we got this is the frequency supplied from outside, which is equal to omega naught square minus 2 beta square. Okay. Okay. So let this is equation 1, which is equal to omega r. Omega r. Why I have written omega r? Because at this frequency resonance occurs. Resonance occurs means amplitude is maximum. So there will be no wrong if I shall substitute omega r. So right, omega is equal to omega naught square minus 2 beta square under root, which is equal to omega r. It is a equation 1, where omega r is known as resonance angular frequency, where omega r is known as R for resonance angular frequency. Omega r is known as resonance angular frequency. Okay, already we have taken the third condition of the resonance. What is the third condition of the resonance? Who can say?
Beta is much smaller.
Beta is much less than.
Beta is much less. That means much less means if beta tends to 0, what will be your equation 1? Omega is equal to
omega naught square का रूट होगा.
Omega naught square.
Omega is equal to omega naught square. That means 2 beta square tends to 0. Omega is equal to omega naught, which is equal to omega r. So we proved our first condition. If there will be less beta, omega is equal to omega 0. Both the frequency remain same. Let that frequency is equal to omega r. Omega r is known as resonance frequency. Okay. So this is the analytical treatment. Sometimes question ask, define resonance. Okay. Give a theoretical discussion. So theoretical discussion means you have to write this thing. The analytical treatment. Omega is equal to omega naught, which is equal to omega r. Understood? There will be no confusion. We are supplying omega. Body has own omega 0. So both are same. Omega is equal to omega 0. Let that frequency is equal to omega r. Why we have taken omega r? Since resonance occurs, amplitude is maximum, beta tends to 0. So that is your omega r. Both omega is equal to omega 0 is equal to omega r. Okay. So next, right. Resonance frequency. What is resonance frequency? Sometimes question ask, define. Resonance frequency means FR. Remember one thing, when there will be no angular term used, you understood that is linear frequency. Okay. So this is resonance frequency means this is linear. Resonance means resonance frequency, that is F. R for resonance. Okay. So right, the frequency at which resonance occurs. The frequency at which the resonance occurs is called resonance frequency. So, do you know the relation between F and omega? What is the relation between F and omega?
Omega equal to 2 pi f. Sir.
Omega is equal to 2 pi f. So, F is equal to omega by 2 pi. Since we have taken F is equal to omega by 2 pi, we have taken R. Here it is R. Fr is equal to omega R by 2 pi. Okay. Next, resonance amplitude. Resonance amplitude. So resonance amplitude we can write AR. R for resonance or Max. Max means maximum. Okay. So it is nothing, the amplitude at which resonance occurs. lekha the amplitude at which resonance occurs. That means amplitude increases reaches its maximum value. At that point resonance occurs. So that amplitude is called as resonance amplitude, right? The amplitude at which the resonance occurs is called resonance amplitude or amplitude resonance. Okay? सरला कौन लिखुच ना नहीं रे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. लिखो.
Yes, sir.
Oh. So the amplitude at which resonance occurs is called resonance amplitude. Okay? So here the expression for A, Pragya, what is the expression for A? A is equal to G by omega कौन मने रहुनी? Omega naught square minus omega square max, or A becomes a max when this is a constant, this is omega naught natural, we don't touch that, but in that case omega becomes omega r. When omega becomes omega r, A becomes a max plus 4 beta. Okay, so omega naught square minus omega r square. So this implies G is equal to G divided by omega naught square. What is omega r square from equation 1? Omega r square is equal to
Omega naught square minus 2 beta square root over.
omega naught square minus 2 beta square. Minus 2 beta square means I have written plus 2 beta square. So directly I have
Yes,
written
sir.
whole square divided by plus 4 beta square 4 beta square. It केते हबो 4 beta square again omega r square हबो केते हे जिवो अरे कहू ना omega naught square
Omega naught square plus 2
Minus
beta
2
square.
beta square. Minus 2
2
beta
beta square
So, sir,
square root plus omega square minus omega square cancel. This is equal to G by 2 beta square whole square. केते हबो 4 beta 4 4 beta 4 एटी मल्टीप्लाई करा केते होत देखिबा 4 beta square omega naught square minus 8 beta 4 under root. So this implies G by 4 beta 4 minus 8 beta 4. कितना बन सर?
minus 4 beta.
Minus 4 beta 4 minus 4 beta 4 under root. ठीक अछि? कितने कॉमन नबा? जल्दी को 4 beta square will be taken common.
Yes,
If
sir.
you take 4 beta square common, square root is equal to 2 beta.
2 beta, sir.
एटी कितना रहला? Omega naught square minus 4 beta square we have taken, only left beta square under root. बुझला? So we got A max is equal to G. What is G? G is equal to F0 by M. G is equal to F0 by M into 2. Beta is equal to B by 2M divided by omega naught square minus beta square under root. 2M cancel. Okay. 2M cancel. So this implies you are not writing. I know. Unnecessary I am writing for you.
sir, लिखो sir.
हाँ?
Sir,
लिखितले
लिखो
किछि तमे जानुथबो लेखुछ कि कोन करछ कोन करिवा. So A max is equal to F0 by ସେଠି କେତେ ରହିଲା କୁହ 2m କ୍ୟାନ୍ସଲ ହେଲା ପରେ କେତେ ରହିଲା अरे कौन जदि लिखुच कहूना केते रहला अरे अरे आफ्टर कैंसिल केते रहला सेठी
Sir, AR is equal to G by 2 beta 2 omega square minus 2
कौन
beta
टू
3
बीटा कौन म बीटा मते पाठ पढौछ रे हैं
ता पर
केते बीटा कटि गला
हां सर
एटी 2m कटला पर रहला के केवल b रहिबो हैं तुम जदि लिखिबार इच्छा नै मते काहे कि अननेसेसरी परिश्रम करूछ मु जानि परनी हैं f0 divided by b omega naught square minus beta square 1 by 2. So this is the expression. Okay. So A max is equal to F0 divided by B omega naught square minus beta square. Okay. So be online. Just 1 minute. I want to take your attendance. ଲେଖା ସରିଲା
yes sir
Yes, sir.
এটা ইকুয়েশন 2 দিও 12:45 सीरियल नंबर सुप्रभात मंडल अच्छी की
प्रेजेंट सर
अमन उज्जवल हसन राजा
प्रेजेंट सर
अरुण दीपक अभिनंदन
प्रेजेंट सर
आदर्श
Yes, sir.
आदित्य
present sir
आलोक अमन
yes sir
अमित अर्जित अरुण आशीर्वाद आशुतोष विकास
Yes, sir.
चिन्मय
प्रेजेंट सर
विनायक विप्लव ब्रह्मानंद चिन्मय
Yes, sir.
महांती चिन्मय महांती चित्तरंजन
Yes, sir.
डब्लू दिव्यांशु
यस सर
गौरव